Alright, guys, I don't know if I have to delete this video because I was not in my mind studying the same time because the stop music in the background and fuck, they always flag your video for music in the background. So let's see how it goes, and guys, let's get back to the fixing cars because yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. So we're gonna be heading back on the road. Alright, guys, total tech. What's up, buddy? I'm just heading back on track to get. Oh man, music playing, always messing up my life. So guys, I don't even know if I could post this live because the music, they always flag you for these music. It's like crazy, man. It's not even funny. You know, guys, so it is what it is. Guys, I think it's better to pick up some gloves, but I have one. Let's see how that goes, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, man. Thank you. We're headed to the junkyard. We're headed by my friend first. I'm gonna see if we get this part and go from there. Guys, the scrapyard is the vibes. And the one is keep open inside. I'm gonna put on the next jacket because it's actually summertime, not summertime. So we're gonna get every layer of protection.